Negotiations on the North Carolina state budget remain stagnant, and this delay is now affecting a lot of people in North Carolina. A WCNC Charlotte viewer wanted our Verified team to look into why there's a holdup and how often this happens in our state. Here's Megan Bragg with this morning's Verify Fact Check.
This delay is affecting some programs in our state, and it means no expanded funding to the Medicaid program, affecting health care for hundreds of thousands of North Carolinians. That led Ann M. to email us this question. She said, "What's the holdup, and how often does a budget get delayed in our state?" Let's get the facts. Our sources are Dr. Michael Bitzer, Catawba College political science professor, the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services, and the North Carolina General Assembly. Approving a budget seems like it would be pretty important, and it is. But Bitzer says North Carolina's government will not shut down if the General Assembly fails to pass a budget bill. Basically, the state will just continue to operate at the previous year's funding level.
What North Carolinians will see is the state government continuing to operate, but there could be some programs on the chopping block.
But people who rely on Medicaid for their health care will definitely feel the effects.
Medicaid expansion could be impacted by this as well. It already has been. The administration, Governor Cooper's administration, had wanted to start Medicaid expansion. It has been delayed because of this, so this will have a serious ripple effect of delaying it even further.
Medicaid expansion was supposed to launch on October 1st, but with the budget unresolved, that deadline will be impossible to meet. The delay in Medicaid expansion means more than 600,000 people in North Carolina will have to wait for access to better health care, according to the Department of Health and Human Services. As far as why the General Assembly can't seem to come to an agreement on the budget,
now it seems like it's political divisions between the two chambers in the General Assembly. The state Senate is very much wanting to pursue gambling and the creation of casinos in the state, potentially as a revenue generating mechanism. There is apparently strong opposition in the House of Representatives.
Now, state budgets are supposed to be passed by July 1st, but more often than not, the General Assembly fails to meet the deadline. Since the year 2000, only 5 state budgets have been enacted by July 1st. And in 2020, no budget was passed. With your Verify Fact Check, I'm Megan Bragg.
If you have something you would like verified, just email us at verify@wcnc.com.